Let there be more power. Let it be light. Let it be small, yet extraordinarily strong. Be fast. Be precise. Be simple. Be adaptive. So it came to be, as so commanded, the all-new ZHIYUN WEEBILL-S. On a fast-paced set, every second counts. The WEEBILL-S is easy to balance, and it integrates auto-calibration and all fine-tunings features on board. Despite the small size, the WEEBILL-S actually gets a 300% boost in motor torque and 50% lift in response speed. Along with an upgraded algorithm, it can pull off more complex movements with confidence. But it doesn't stop there. With the optional Transmount system, wireless monitoring and controlling is now possible with up to 3 devices at the same time. The ZHIYUN WEEBILL-S may stabilize most DSLRs, mirrorless and even compact cinema cameras with ease. But it is more than a handheld stabilizer. It is the core unit of a lightweight production ecosystem. Complex cinematic movements don't always have to be expensive. The WEEBILL-S is strong, and it is also smart. With some creative rigging, you may unleash its full potential without extra expense. All its gimbal movements may be remotely controlled by the gyroscope motion sensor of your smart devices with fast response. Combined with its strong stabilizing motor, wireless monitoring, and controlling features, the WEEBILL-S may turn into a 3-axis motorized remote tripod head on a simple jib. If you think out of the box, the WEEBILL-S can be adapted to your own shooting needs in infinite ways. The WEEBILL-S also shines when you are on vacation. The 3-axis lock makes it a breeze to carry and fast to start filming. With the object tracking feature activated, you are covered even when there is no one there to help. And the 2-in-1 quick release plate allows cameras to be transferred to Manfrotto and Acura Swiss heads within seconds. Its lightweight body and simplicity makes it easy enough for anyone to pick up and use without a steep learning curve. Although the WEEBILL-S may last over 14 hours on a single charge, your body perhaps won't last as long. For long-hour shoots, the camera belt and support have your arm and back covered. Even in run-and-gun situations, the WEEBILL-S does not compromise on precision. With the onboard follow focus system, as you capture the moments, every millimeter is at the control of your fingertips. The WEEBILL-S is designed with the goal that complex technologies can be accessible to everyone, so that a small team and even a single operator may capture wondrous footage with minimal effort, so that more focus can be put back onto the content itself. It's designed for those who's determined to tell better stories, and for who start small but dreams big. That is our hearty goal at ZHIYUN, since ever till ever.